Good morning to all. Healthcare product development. Healthcare product development in comparison with existing product. Introduction to healthcare product development. Complex process involve multiple stage from concept to market. Regulatory compliance. Strict FDA and internal standard. Patient centered. Focus on improving healthcare outcome. Market growth. Healthcare product market expanding rapidly. Product comparison. Critical for competitive advantage. Important of product comparison in healthcare. Informed decision making enable evidence based choice, market advantage, identify competitive posting, patient outcome, improve quality of care, cost effective, optimize resource allocation, innovation catalyzed, derive product improvement, healthcare product development process, concept and feasibility, design and development, preclinical testing, clinical trial, regulatory approval, manufacturing and launch. Concept of feasibility. Identify need, market research, initial design, design and development, prototype, engineering, usability test. Key stage in healthcare product development. Discover and concept, clinical and preclinical, manufacturing, design and prototype, regulatory approval. Discover and concept, market need assessment, initial concept development, feasibility analysis, preclinical and clinical, laboratory testing, clinical trial, safety and efficacy data, design and prototype, product specification, prototype development, usability test, regulatory approval, regulatory strategy, submission preparation, compliance verification. Type of healthcare product: medical device, pharmaceutical, digital healthcare. Medical device, physical instrument, diagnostic equipment, therapeutic apparatus. Example, pacemaker, ventilator. Pharmaceutical na chemical component, biological product, vaccine and therapy. Example, antibiotic, insulin, vaccines. Digital health, software application, wearable technology, AI powered solution. Methodology for product comparison: experimental studies, re- randomized, participant randomly assigned, controlled comparison assignment, baseline, prospective data collect forward in time, observational study, cardboard group forward over time, case control compare outcome, respiratory cross section data at signal point in time. Quality measure, structure, resource and system, process, care delivery method, outcome, patient health result, comparative study design, randomized control trial, gold standard for comparison, random assignment to group, control basic effectively, pharmaceutical trial, real world condition, board inclusion criteria, relevant outcome for decision marker. Closer randomized trial, group randomized as unit, natural setting for testing, reduced between group, randomized with non-randomized comparison, randomized advantage in minimize bias in group selection, control confounding variable, highly higher validity of result, gold standard for evidence. Limitation: costly and time consuming, ethical constraint in some cases, limited generatability in real world. Non-randomized advantage: more feasible to implement real world setting, large small size, ethical appropriate. Limitation: selection big confound factor, lower validity of conclusion. Healthcare quality measure, structure measured in healthcare comparison. Structural component, facility, equipment, personal system. Comparison framework, capability, system, credential, organizational. Process measure in healthcare comparison. Process component, activity, protocol, interaction, timeline. Comparison framework, effectiveness, adherence, usability, integration. Application in product comparison, workflow efficiency, implementation time, user experience, training requirement. Outcome measure in healthcare comparison, outcome health element, outcome component, clinical result, health status change, patient experience, stratification and comfort, cost effectiveness, value and ROI, safety material, advice, event and compliance, comparison framework, effective, safety profile, long term impact, population health, benchmarking approach in healthcare, case study, successful product comparison, EHR selection, medical device selection. Thank you.